Hello. So the website that I would like to introduce everybody today to is called Daily Starters on Scholastic website. And what this does is you can kind of see here is it gives you the day for what date it starts on right here. And it gives you each different subjects that you can look at and give a question to your class for. So this one's language arts, and it talks about there, and there. This one's math, about fractions. There's fun facts and teachable moments. And it's currently set for grades 3 through 5, but you can do 1 through 2. And they have different questions here. So it just, again, and then you can also reveal the answer after they're finished, or if you want to check it. And you can also switch to class view, which is right up here. And it's just kind of a bigger screen and just gives exactly what the students need to see. And you can go back if you miss different days. There's tons they post all the time, or if you just don't like the questions that day. And yeah, and so they have a whole bunch. And again, you can kind of go back. There's a teacher's guide. So this is for really young kids, but there's a teacher's guide that shows you how to teach this lesson extensions, and more about different routines and different strategies that they can give you about that specific lesson plan. So it seems to be such a great strategy. I've used it before in my class and I loved it. And I just hope that it can become of help to people in the future.